Hi all, welcome to Pi-MSquare Academy. So today's topic of discussion is what is artificial intelligence? Highly competitive, the most trending and a hot topic, be it in IT, be it in marketing, so be it in any field or any sector. So it is the trending topic, the understanding artificial intelligence, because our future is going to getting tied up with artificial intelligence. So whatever we'll do, so the next step is going to be more excited, or I could say it is completely related with our automation systems. So let's understand what exactly artificial intelligence. So in the meanwhile, since the last like 6 7 months, I've been getting a lot of inquiries or a lot of questions from different people from different sectors. They ask me like what is exactly artificial intelligence and how it is useful to marketing or today's era of business. So whenever I discuss with someone about artificial intelligence, or when I do a complete or thorough research about artificial intelligence, I found different types of definitions, different types of knowledge, different types of resources, giving us an understanding about what exactly is artificial intelligence. So most of the people gets a confusion, it gets into a confusion state to understand like what exactly artificial intelligence is all about. So I thought like from my research, from my experience, so whatever I understood, let me put forward in a simple thing, in a simple words, what exactly is artificial intelligence, so that it will be very much useful for you. So before moving into the topic, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Pi-MSquare Academy for more interesting videos on technology, entrepreneurship, sales, marketing, digital marketing. So let's dive down into the topic. So let's start with artificial intelligence, or the definition itself. So as stated, so artificial intelligence is the intelligence demonstrated by machines as opposed to the natural intelligence displayed by animals, including humans. So when I speak about machines showing intelligence, that means machines are capable enough to performing tasks intelligently. Machines are capable enough to do the task as the human do. So it's almost like machines acting like a human. So when you talk about a robot, or when you talk about a AI tool, so this means that the tool or the robot can do what a human can do with the same kind of intelligence. So from a famous AI book, the definition of AI goes like this: the study and design of intelligent agents, where an intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximizes its chance of success. So let me describe this or explain this in going with few examples. So did you guess, like by looking at the picture, who is he? Yes, he is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So when you look at this picture, so your brain functions by looking at that picture, his hairstyle, his finger pointing or his face. So by looking at overall picture, your mind says that your mind collects, recollects or collects who exactly or whose picture is exactly is this. And when your mind recollects or collects that, if you know, then it's APJ Abdul Kalam. So how it has worked, right? So because you have studied somewhere or you have seen somewhere, that's the reason your mind has the storage of data. So similar way, making a machine capable enough to recognize the data to recognize the image quality, to recognize what exactly happening, like the intelligence. I'm talking about the intelligence, how the intelligence works for the human. The similar way, the intelligence process or the intelligence which happens through the machines is, in simple terms called as artificial intelligence. Let me give you another example. So if it's a complex numerical problem like the square root of 300, it would be very difficult for the human to give you a quick answer, right? But if it is for a machine, then it will give you a very quick answer. So if you do a Google, so immediately it will give you the answer. Why? Because it has that kind of intelligence or algorithms written for it, so that it can give you answer for any kind of complex numerical problems. So at the same time, if I ask a robot to do any regular household work, like let's say cleaning of the house or floor cleaning or anything, so initially you have to train, like you have to showcase the robot once. Nowadays, we are getting good robots, like automated robots, where it goes and if you pay hefty amounts, then you are getting good robots that where it is goes automatically and helps helps you to clean the household. So, but initially, like it was that you have to train the robot. At the same time, if you say a robot, go to the kitchen and pick up a bottle of water, so it's not sure about like what kind of bottle, what kind of water bottle you want, or what exactly is the water, where it has to fill the water and all these things. So it is something that you have to train. You have to make the machines capable enough to think like human. So there are three different types of artificial intelligence. So one is artificial narrow intelligence, the other one is the artificial general intelligence, another one is the artificial super intelligence. So ANI, the artificial narrow intelligence, is called as the narrow AI or the weak AI, because it works similar or lesser than the human intelligence. But like by looking at the examples, we feel that it's none than like it works as like a human only. But sometimes when you ask something to Siri, then you might get a different answer, so which was not expected from for you. So so these examples like Siri by Apple or Alexa by Amazon. So nowadays, a lot of things, even OK Google. So a lot of things are happening through this. So Alexa, just switch on the lights. Or Alexa, let's play a song. Alexa, like just switch on the TV. Alexa, give me an answer for this. Or even you can ask the Alexa itself, like what exactly is artificial intelligence. So it can give you the results from what it has already been stored, or what it is being trained, or what it is being algorithmed. So what exactly is being stored in that, it will give you the answer. So that's the reason it is called as the artificial narrow intelligence. At the same time, artificial general intelligence is the strong AI or the deep AI. You know, for example, there was a supercomputer built by Fujitsu, built case, which was called as an like general intelligence or the strong AI, and which is like acts exactly like humans. Like the intelligence of human is exactly like that of artificial general intelligence. And artificial super intelligence, this goes with more than the capable of the human intelligence, so which are still on work and it may come up anytime soon. So let's understand different branches of artificial intelligence. Let's understand different branches of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence have machine learning, natural language processing, expert systems, vision, speech, you know robotics planning. So if you see, these are different types of branches of artificial intelligence. And giving you an example of deep by deep. So machine learning has deep learning, supervised and unsupervised. At the same time, natural language processing has content extractions, classifications, machine translation, question answering, and these are different branches. We'll be going, one by one, wherever it is required in different videos to understand exactly the different concepts of this machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, and what is exactly expert systems. So we'll go one by one because it is important to go one by one and understand what exactly these concepts are useful and how these concepts can be helpful for your business or helpful for your career or helpful for your future to make it more streamlined. So just to make a note, like these are different types of or different branches of artificial intelligence. Just have a quick look into that. So we'll be going it one by one in the next videos. So just for an understanding, like the examples of artificial intelligence expert systems are some of the medical and clinical systems or agricultural systems, the flight tracking systems are some of the examples of AI expert systems. Why? Because here the expertise, domain expertise intelligence is very much important. So that's the reason these are some of the like examples where you will find the expert system language or the AI of expert systems. NLP, the natural language processing, so where you can find it more into social media marketing and into text analytics, speech recognition like OK Google, Alexa, and all this. Then the neural network, the face recognition or the character recognition. Nowadays we are finding it much more into the smartphones and like attendance systems. Like after the COVID, like most of the things are happening through face recognition. So neural network goes through that. And robotics, like we know, like industrial robots. Nowadays even restaurants are using different robots for serving the food. Even we just discussed about for cleaning the household items and everything. We are going through the robots. So as like the physiologics as something like consumer electronics, automotive speed controller, and all these like comes under physiologic. So these are some of the examples just to make you understanding like what exactly different branches of artificial intelligence, and just to have an understanding of artificial intelligence branches and some of the artificial intelligence usage in nowadays systems. But we'll be going through one by one in different videos to make you understand about expert system, NLP, neural network, and robotics and everything. So have you ever thought of like how the Google like search works? So if I go with artificial, so how Google is giving you this suggestions or recommendations of different, like this is what will come after this, like artificial intelligence. After artificial intelligence, these are the recommendations that these are coming. So all these are Google's rank brain algorithm, which gives you the understanding of different search results. Like Netflix, OTT, it will give you different recommendations, like based on your search results or based on your recently watched movies or based on your next upcoming movies. It give you different kinds of recommendations, different kinds of notifications based on your personalization behavior. So these things helps out, like AI helps you out on these kind of experience for the buyer's journey. And we will be discussing about about artificial intelligence slowly, how it is useful in marketing, and how what exactly is artificial intelligence marketing, and how artificial intelligence marketing is helpful for the marketeers as well as for the customers. So we'll understand about these things properly. So hope you have understood like what exactly is artificial intelligence and different branches of artificial intelligence and three different types of AI, right? So I believe like we have been through all these things, and you got an a simple idea, like a brief idea of what exactly is AI. So if you have understood, like a little bit of AI, so we'll dive deep into, like about the AI marketing into the next videos. So if you have liked the video, just gives us a thumbs up. Just subscribes to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. So that like you can get notifications about our upcoming videos as well, and you can watch different videos and updates on marketing, sales, entrepreneurship, and artificial intelligence. Thanks a lot for watching this video.